So guys, just now I had received information regarding the Windows update on my Windows 11 laptop, Lenovo laptop actually. So the Windows 11 system claims it has the following thing updated 2022 slash or hyphen 03 cumulative update for Windows 11 for x64-based system, and here in bracket we have KB5011493 that is pending install. Again we have 2022-03 update for Windows 11 for x64-based system KB in bracket 40230057. This x64 stand for the 64-bit machine, and here are some update history. Updates pause for 1 week. I don't want to pause update, so let's try installing this. Here you can see the installing process has already been started, and the first one, that is cumulative update, is installing but taking a bit longer time. I don't know why it is, because my internet is fast, still it is taking a lot of time. And for the second option, that is update for Windows 11 x64-bit based system, it is still pending install. Okay, finally the cumulative update is active again. It is slow, but still it is fast, but still taking a considerable time for update. You can see it is jumping from its initial percentage 25 to 27 like that. Again it is freeze at 25%. I don't know why this thing happens. I have no technological knowledge regarding this. What's going on here? So the main purpose of this video is solved here, and I am going to stop the screen recording right here at this moment, because unnecessary things are not to be included on my YouTube video. The main purpose of this video is to guide you how to update, and I will give this title, copy the first initial title. Unable to copy. I don't know why this is happening. I think there doesn't support the copy paste option. Okay, hope you guys like my content. If so, don't forget to share and subscribe. Stay tuned for my next video. See, there is a big technical glitch. I don't know why this is happening. This is not fault with my mouse. My mouse is good otherwise, but this is the fault with the system that I am unable to copy. Okay, goodbye for now. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep commenting, keep gaming.